Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day so far. We're having a blessed day so far as well. I want to tell you this is StellaZone. Welcome to StellaZone. If you're a new subscriber and you have not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. It's free, and then hit the little bell icon next to it so that whenever we upload a video, you will be one of the first people to get a notification. I am Stella and this is my lovely husband.
Nice.
He's like, you don't want to show your face. Alright, so we are going to dive in today's video. We are going to do a video using the Etekcity scale, Etekcity food, nutritional food scale that I got. So we're going to be doing a video and I'm going to be showing you, okay? So I'm going to be doing like a smoothie, okay? So I'm going to be doing like smoothie. I have like mixed berry here with pomegranate. I have banana. I have spinach. I have juice here I'm gonna use, and then there's milk. So let's get right into the video. So you can because I was going to say, like, if you want to see how much is in here, but of course it's a measuring cup, so it's like you put the cup on here, you see how much the cup weighs is. So if you have this right here, which is 94 grams, okay, and then you put like spinach in here, your spinach, so it was 94, right? Mm-hmm. Good, I have a mathematician next to me. So then 94, then so that means you subtract 94 from 112, because it says it's 112 grams in here of total. So when you subtract,
or what you could do, so you don't have to do math.
Do the math is, I'm just showing you this. Then you have to subtract, and whatever you get is what the spinach means. But you can, simple, I feel this works really well with parchment paper. Just take a, you can put it directly on the scale, that's fine, but you don't want to dirty the scale because it looks so nice. So put a parchment paper which weighs 0, okay, it doesn't weigh anything. And then you put your spinach on here. You put your spinach. So I'm putting spinach, this time I'm not measuring, I'm just going to put however much I need to put in the smoothie. Okay, so let's say I want to do this much smoothie, okay, this much smoothie. Remember that when you get your scale, it comes with an app, okay, it comes with an app, which is the
VeSyn.
The VeSyn, yeah, it comes with the VeSyn app.
We'll have it over the screen too.
So we'll have it over on the screen for you. So this is the app. So this is the Etekcity app. Is this real? Mm-hmm. This is the Etekcity app. So it's telling me what is on my scale. I have spinach on the scale, so I'm going to hit the green button right here, and I'm going to type in what I have, like raw spinach or raw spinata. There you go. So raw spinach. So when you hit it, it just automatically adds it.
And it's also on the scale.
And it's also on the scale. So it's like, so it tells you the calories. There is 8.1. What is the K calories? What is K calories stand for?
That's just metric.
Okay, so it tells you that there is 8. I think I hit it, and so it depends on how. So it tells you how many calories is in there. Look at the scale right here. It tells you the calories from fat, total fat. It tells you the saturated fat. It tells you everything. It tells you the sodium, the potassium. It tells you the carbs, girl. You know, if you're trying to count your carbs, you know, the Lord knows you need this scale. So it tells you the total carbs that are in there. It tells you the fiber, the sugar, the protein, and all this is sinks into the app. So this is really amazing. It tells you, it has it here, like the protein, you know, it tells you the protein, and the same thing that the scale is telling you, because now you've synced it into the app, so it's working hand in hand. Because if you don't have the app, then it will just give you how much it weighs. But once you get the app, it gives you the nutritional value to make sure you're counting your calories so you can look sexy like me.
So you could see on the app too, you could tell you what meal this is part of, like breakfast or lunch, dinner, or a snack. Mm-hmm. And so normally we do a spinach for breakfast, and then when you're done you can just hit the check mark, and it's added to your meals there. So you can see that on the app, and it all keeps track. It's very similar to MyFitnessPal, but this one is verified by the scale.
Yeah.
You ever happen where you don't know how much a serving is that you have, maybe you're measuring it by hand. Well, you can now measure by hand on the scale and get exactly how many servings and how many calories and things in there, so you don't have to use the MyFitnessPal. You could just use VeSyn.
All right, let's move it. Let's get the top off.
All right. So usually the first thing we put in our smoothie
is the
spinach.
Okay, so moving on. So I added that to my smoothie. I have banana.
Frozen banana.
I have frozen chopped up banana. So make sure you zero out the scale every time you put it back, okay? So I have frozen
It'd be safe
banana.
you can also zero out the parchment paper just to make sure it actually weighs nothing.
Frozen banana, I'm not using too much. I'm going to be using about just a little. So this is like about the size of a small banana.
Or a third of a banana, yeah. You gotta go general then specific.
So banana?
Yep.
So you do just banana?
Just banana, because it's the same frozen or not.
Yeah. Alright, so we have our banana. I'm gonna add the banana to this. So this is 63 grams. I'm gonna zero it out again. And so I'm adding the pineapple juice. I'm adding half a cup of pineapple juice, organic pineapple juice. Pineapple juice, unsweetened.
Yep.
Organic unsweetened pineapple juice.
That one's close enough.
So this is it. So we add it.
Mm-hmm.
Oops. So you guys get and then it gives you, like I said, it gives you everything that you need. The protein, the sugar, the carbs, everything that you need.
All on the scale or
it's
on
all
the app?
Scale. Yeah. So then zero it out. Basically now we know how much this one weighs. So then I'm gonna add milk. I'm gonna add milk. This is 112 grams. All right, so let's add scale. This is dairy. So scale. What's on the scale? We have milk. Yes, this one is also telling us. So this one is 69.4 calories, 33.3 from fat. It gives you the total fat, the saturated fat, cholesterol, sodium, potassium, the total carbs, the sugar, and of course, the protein. Okay, I don't know why they type on recipe labels or on ingredient labels, like the protein always says the last one. So we're going to, ooh girl, don't you even try it. So I added that. So now I'm gonna add in here. I don't think I'm gonna measure out the ice cube.
No calories in that.
No calories in that. So then I add water and then it goes to the blender. If I have
so we
frozen
could
yogurt,
see on the app how much the total is for your smoothie.
yeah. So that is, the total is 196.2 calories. You have 11.1% of protein. So let me just say 5.7 grams of protein, 4.3 grams of fat, and the carbs.
So those are your macros.
So your carbs are like 36.3 grams. So yeah, if you're trying to do a 20%, let me say 20 grams of carbs daily, and then I would suggest you cut out like the pineapple juice and some of the fruit. But other than that, these are your macros, and this will help you stay on track to know. So let's play with this a little bit. So this tracks your food, okay? So then you can use this with other apps if you're trying to lose weight, like what is the one that I'm using? Lose It. So you can use Lose It as well. and it will tell you how many calories you need to eat. Lose It will tell you how much calories you need to eat in a day to lose a specific amount to get to your goal. So you can use this one to measure your food, to know how much carbs you're getting, how much fat, how much protein you're consuming, and to make sure that you are attaining your caloric goal. Yeah, you're attaining that. So this is awesome. This is cool. I like the fact that you type it in. So my banku lovers, Etekcity is gonna have to modify this and make sure, it's like you have to add the ingredient bit by bit, like cassava dough. And they have a function where, let's say what's on the scale, like you can add new food. You can add new food, 7 size, so you can be adding your own if you like yam. Okay, so when you cut the yam, you peel it, you put it on here, you cut it and then you put it on here, and then you see how much it weighs, you can put it in, and it will give you your calories, your macros. It will break down the macros for you. So yeah, banku, the same thing, your soups and things like that. Yeah, you can eat Ghana food and still be able to lose weight. But it's all moderation. So I really enjoy this scale. Go grab yourself one, because we'll put the link to how to get this scale in the description box. Stay tuned. Thank you to Etekcity for teaming up with us to show how awesome this scale works. And
we'll see it in another StellaZone video.
Yeah, we'll be seeing it more in other StellaZone videos in the coming future. Thank you. Once again, subscribe. Okay, subscribe, like, and share. All right, guys, that will be it for today. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Really? You get